Kid's got talent. Fifth place debut. How does it feel? Grateful. It's a gift. You kept it, of course. You're the MotoGP guy? Was. I'm not giving you an easy win. Good. I don't want easy.
Welcome back to BikeVerse. This is Yamaha's highest specification Supersport, the 2026 YZF-R1M. The ultimate R, starting at $27,899 plus $775 destination. This is MotoGP technology for the street. Striking full carbon...
Bring it in. We have the data. One more lap. I can go faster. Negative. Bring it down.
Orders cost us millions. No team will touch you.
I was trying to help development.
You were showing off. You're blacklisted.
Fiber bodywork, including MotoGP-inspired winglets, distinctive R1M styling, and an engraved serial number badge highlighting its exclusivity. Taking all the explosive performance of the YZF-R1 to an even higher level, the R1MS advanced Öhlins electronic racing suspension.
I know your story. MotoGP test rider. One mistake, blacklist too. Because I got second chance too. Time to pay that forward.
Carter Mitchell? Who's asking? Vincent Rossi. A track day company. I have a proposition, not just in charities. Meet me. 1 hour.
Dedicated suspension control unit rapidly adjusts front and rear damping in real time, whether braking, cornering, or accelerating. 998cc Crossplane crankshaft inline-four derived from YZR-M1 MotoGP race bike. Just 452 pounds wet weight. 55.3-inch wheelbase. Full carbon fiber bodywork. This is the ultimate expression of Yamaha's racing heritage.
This track has a production bike record, 142.8. I want one. That's impossible. For most people, not for you. Deal.
Advanced Öhlins electronic racing suspension. The YZF-R1M utilizes the advanced Öhlins electronic racing suspension ERS system, and it's absolutely transformative. Featuring the NPX gas-charged front fork among the finest suspension components available anywhere.
998C. I know Crossplane.
You're 6 seconds off record and 8 seconds off target. I'm out of practice. No, you're scared. I can see it. Last time I pushed, I nearly died.
A dedicated suspension control unit rapidly adjusts front and rear damping in real time for optimum performance, whether braking, cornering, or accelerating. This isn't just electronically adjustable suspension, this is intelligent suspension that reads track conditions, rider inputs, lean angle, and acceleration data hundreds of times per second.
I can't find more time. You're not using the bike's capability. See those winglets? Exactly. They create stability. Good. Good? Fear keeps you sharp. Channel it. How? The 2026 R1M isn't a prototype. It wants to be pushed.
Constantly adjusting damping to optimize grip and stability. Braking into corners. The suspension firms up front, softens rear. Mid-corner. Balanced damping maintaining contact patch. Accelerating out. Rear firms. Front softens preventing wheelies while maintaining traction. That polished aluminum swing arm, not just beautiful but precision engineered for optimal rigidity balance. This is racetrack suspension technology that makes professional riders faster and gives everyday riders confidence to explore limits safely. MotoGP-derived crossplane engine. The YZF-R1MS 998 cubic centimeters inline-four-cylinder engine features Yamaha's exclusive crossplane crankshaft technology CP4 derived directly from the YZR-M.
The bike had it. I just trusted it.
Today's the day. I can feel it.
How do you know?
Because you're not scared anymore. You're focused.
M1 MotoGP race bike. This isn't marketing hype, this is genuine MotoGP technology. By equalizing inertial forces at the crankshaft, the CP4 motor delivers a direct feeling of linear torque, giving the rider the ultimate connection between throttle grip and rear wheel. That unique firing order difference.
Angelo, from Yamaha Racing, I heard what you did here. 149 on Yamaha class team. We outbludged interested. No. Thank you, Web Racing. Re-series. Now what? With that lap time, gonna what?
From conventional inline fours creates unmatched traction and feel. Advanced cableless ride-by-wire Yamaha chip-controlled throttle YCCT system transforms rider inputs into precise motion. DOHC architecture with 4 titanium valves per cylinder breathing through ram air intake. The crossplane design means smoother power delivery, better traction out of corners, and that distinctive crossplane howl. This engine redlines beyond 13,000 revolutions per minute, delivering explosive top end while maintaining tractable low-end character. This is MotoGP engineering you can ride on the street.
Then prove it. This weekend, amateur race at Laguna Seca. We out there on. Did that just happen?
Carbon fiber aerodynamics and digital technology. The YZF-R1M's full carbon fiber bodywork isn't just lightweight, it's functional aerodynamics. Complete carbon windscreen fairing, side fairings, front fender, and tail section reducing weight while looking absolutely stunning.
That's an R1M, carbon bodywork. I heard he crashed out. What's he doing here? Then show them what 3 years of hell taught you. You're the MotoGP guy?
Was.
I'm not giving you an easy win. Good. I don't want easy.
Developed through extensive simulator and on-track testing, those MotoGP-inspired carbon fiber winglets create additional downforce for exceptional chassis stability and added front-end feel when braking or cornering. That polished aluminum swing arm providing beautiful contrast. Unique serial-numbered YZF-R1M badge on the airbox cover emphasizing exclusivity. This is limited production. Advanced digital Supersport technology. Communication Control Unit CCU as standard enabling GPS track lap timer.
Behold the R1M's full carbon fiber bodywork, advanced CCU, IMU aids, and exclusive production. Neuropresent profile. Advanced electronics deliver precise control and data-driven performance.
Data recorder from the IMU, ECU, and GPS, and mobile phone tablet YRC adjustability. Full suite of IMU-powered electronic rider aids.
3 years ago, I would have crashed. Today, I race smart. You taught me that. You're really good. Why aren't you in World Superbike? Working on it.
Traction control, slide control, wheelie control, launch control, ABS, all working seamlessly. 33.9-inch seat height. This is technology that brings new meaning to rider confidence.
How does it feel being back? Terrifying and perfect. The bike? Still the R1M DNA. Crossplane, you've matured. 3 years ago, you would have crashed. How perfect. And I wanted to say thank you.
The complete flagship package. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R1M represents the absolute pinnacle of Yamaha Supersport engineering. This is the ultimate at Yamaha's highest specification Supersport, taking a one performance to an even higher level.
Sometimes people just need someone to open the door. They walk through themselves. I won't waste this. I know you won't.
5th place debut. How does it feel? Grateful. It's a gift. You kept it, of course.
998cc Crossplane Crankshaft inline-four derived from YZR-M1 MotoGP race bike. Advanced Öhlins electronic racing suspension with NPX fork and dedicated suspension control unit. Full carbon fiber bodywork including MotoGP-inspired winglets. Polished aluminum swing arm. Engraved serial number badge emphasizing limited production exclusivity. Communication control unit with GPS lap timer and comprehensive data logging. Full IMU-powered electronic rider aids. Just 452 pounds wet weight on a 55.3-inch wheelbase. 33.9-inch seat height. Starting at $27,899 plus $775 destination. The R1M proves Yamaha's commitment to bringing genuine MotoGP technology to the street. The 2026 Yamaha YZF-R1M. The ultimate R. MotoGP-derived. Track-focused. Street-legal. This is BikeVerse, and this is Supersport perfection. Race legendary.